You're looking at a 2022 Tesla Model 3 long range, dual motor, all electric with 19,000 miles. Comes loaded up, ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, gets about 350 miles at 100%. Car is in excellent shape, still in full factory warranty. Blue exterior, white premium interior, 19,000 original miles. Just came off lease from Tesla. All weather mats. Updated interior with the nice wireless charging pad. Sorry, I'm trying, me and my fat fingers. I'm trying to show you. 19,008 miles. Acceleration boost. Base autopilot. Upgradable to full self-driving. Premium audio, heat pump, AMD Ryzen processor. It's got the latest and greatest. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, Bluetooth, power tailgate, heat pump. Nice clean car. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.